Now, Indian security forces foiled a major infiltration attempt from across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Army said that 2 terrorists were killed as part of the ongoing Operation Shiv Shakti in the Poonch sector. According to the Indian Army, alert troops eliminated 2 terrorists attempting to infiltrate across the line of control. The forces also recovered 3 weapons from them. The Indian Army says the operation still continues as there could be some terrorists hiding in the area. As per Indian Army's White Knight Corps, Operation Shiv Shakti was carried out after synergistic and synchronized intelligence inputs from the units in collaboration with the Jammu and Kashmir Police, which led to a successful operation. This operation comes just 2 days after Operation Mahadev, in which Lashkar terrorists involved in the Pahalgam attack were neutralized. Speaking in Parliament on Tuesday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah confirmed that the mastermind behind the massacre, Suleiman alias Faisal Jat, was also among those killed. 2 others killed are Hamza Afghani and Gibran.
ऑपरेशन महादेव में सुलेमान उर्फे फैजल जट, अफगान और जिब्रान 3 आतंकवादी सेना, सीआरपीएफ और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के संयुक्त अभियान में ऑपरेशन महादेव में मारे गए। जिन्होंने बैसरण घाटी में हमारे प्रवासियों को, नागरिकों को मारा था, ये तीनों आतंकवादी ये थे और तीनों मारे गए।
And our special correspondent Idris Lone has sent us this report from Srinagar. Listen to this.
2 terrorists have been killed in an operation in Poonch district of the Jammu division. Both the terrorists were trying to infiltrate from across the border near the LC. Indian Army saw the suspicious movement, after which a cordon and search operation was launched. And during the search operation, the terrorists fired on security forces, which resulted in a gun battle. For a couple of hours, the firing was on from both the sides, and eventually both the terrorists who were trying to infiltrate were killed by security forces. Arms and ammunition was also recovered from their possession. Meanwhile, there was another operation that was carried out by security forces after a car was stopped in the Nagrota area of the Jammu division. Upon checking, arms and ammunition was recovered from the possession of the man who was driving the car. 3 pistols, cartridges, as well as some shells were recovered from his possession as well. Today's operation came after Operation Mahadev, and security forces now have intensified their search operations across various districts in Jammu and Kashmir. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.